Hey, it's Jimmy Lard, the sock snob. I'm out here sharecropping in Chicago again, and somebody asked me a question about this is a friend of mine about how and why I do what is called companion planting. So, as you can see here, I have this beautiful um, large container with petunias and sweet potato vines and everything else in here. But look, right dab in the middle are peppers, right? So these are a large jalapeno pepper, and as you can see, it's right in the center, and they complement each other because, and over there I have squash and marigolds and all sorts of different flowers. I'm not going to show you too much of my garden because it needs weeding out. But the reason you do companion planting is because of these right here. All right, you see these blooms? These need to be pollinated in order for this plant to develop fruit like so. Well, what attracts bees and butterflies and everything else more than flowers? So I mix the two because they'll pop over from here and then onto one of these blossoms and so on, and then to another one. You know, you have to do something to attract all of those beneficial insects. So that is why I do what we call companion planting. So all throughout my garden, you will see, different things mixed in. So as you can see, I have my vegetables, my collard greens. Look at these tomatoes right in the middle of rose bush, right? Or I should say, the tomatoes are surrounding this big rose bush over here. And then same thing over here. We look at bell peppers, and right in here with these bell peppers and strawberries, I have marigolds, and then they're surrounded by marigolds. A second benefit of having all of these different types of plants mixed in that have these strong scents, particularly marigolds, is that it can confuse some of the insects that would otherwise attack a particular type of plant. So if you have a mass planting of just one thing, it is very easy for a pest or a certain type of pest to come in and attack it. But if the smell is masked by all sorts of different, flowers, then that makes it a lot more difficult. So that is it for this particular video on companion planting and why we do it. So here's the last thing I'll show you, which is kind of weird. I have impatiens, a big tomato plant, and yes, a wine bottle because I am trying to grow wine. All right, I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.